Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatim al-nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. فَكُلُوا مِمَّا ذُكِرَ اسْمُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ إِن كُنتُم بِآيَاتِهِ مُؤْمِنِينَ. Translation: So eat of that meat over which the name of Allah has been mentioned if you are believers in His verses. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَمَا لَكُمْ أَلَّا تَأْكُلُوا مِمَّا ذُكِرَ اسْمُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ وَقَدْ فَصَّلَ لَكُمْ مَا حَرَّمَ عَلَيْكُمْ إِلَّا مَا اضْطُرِرْتُمْ إِلَيْهِ وَإِنَّ كَثِيرًا لَيُضِلُّونَ بِأَهْوَائِهِمْ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ هُوَ أَعْلَمُ بِالْمُعْتَدِينَ. Translation: And why you should not eat of that on which the name of Allah is pronounced, while He has explained in detail that what is forbidden for you, except that you are compelled by necessity. And indeed, many people misguide others by following their vain desires due to lack of knowledge. Surely your Rabb best knows the transgressor who exceeds the limit. In the previous ayah's reasons of revelations, we studied that the mushrikeen in Makkah used to say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kills some animals and Muslims say that they are haram, and the Muslims themselves kill some animals and they say this is halal. And this was a thought that was coming from shaitan in the hearts of the humans, and the humans were propagating these thoughts. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly given the guidance, and those who are making false excuses and their own thoughts are strayed from the straight path. So in today's ayahs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is ordering Muslims that eat of that meat over which the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioned. And if you are believers, you should do that. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentions that why would you not eat from which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded you and has made halal for you. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given all the details of what is haram. But if somebody is dying, he can even eat from what is haram just to save his life. However, majority of the people are following their own desires without any knowledge, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows those transgressors who are crossing the limits of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created everything, and some of the things that human heart knows are good for humans, like the fruits and vegetables, they eat it without any problem. But there are things that the human heart knows that not good for them. For example, poisonous stuff, they don't eat it. Similarly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created and kills every living thing directly or indirectly. The animal that falls from a height and dies because of the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the animal that Muslims slaughter die, and it also dies because of the permission given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the sole decision maker of of everything. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the animal which is slaughtered on His name halal. And when the blood flows out of the body, taking all the impurities, the meat is pure and halal, and otherwise the meat is not halal. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.